With a flat chisel or a V chisel, I press it down to get the bevel, and then I lift it slightly from that bevel to the other side. Finger here, lift it up till you get an edge there. You'll get a bit of a burr. So any burrs can be cleaned up with a slipstone on the inside. And then you'll have a nice cutting edge, which this has already got. This one's come, it looks like it's been dropped and it needs a bit of work on it. Raise it up. And then on the flat. Bit more technique required. Lift it up, just off the bevel until it's at the cutting edge, and then I rock it as I do it. Keeping the angle the same. Now with this you do need a slipstone. A slipstone with a rounded edge, you run it across the front there. Flush on it, you're not trying to put a bevel on it, you're just trying to clean off that edge.